Welcome to the channel. Today we'll determine whether hydrogen is a greenhouse gas or not, right? Okay, this is hydrogen, right? This is homonuclear molecule, homonuclear molecule, and this is not a polar molecule, right? Okay, so let me tell you what is greenhouse gas, right? A greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs and emits. Greenhouse gas can function as two things. It absorbs and emits IR radiation, right? Okay, or infrared radiation. Okay, we, to determine whether hydrogen, sorry, whether hydrogen is a greenhouse gas or not, we have to adopt this strategy. To behave as a greenhouse gas, either the molecule must possess a dipole moment. Actually, this is stable dipole moment for polar molecule. So hydrogen for hydrogen molecule, you will not get a permanent dipole moment because it is non-polar. In case of polar molecule, you can get permanent dipole moment. However, and or some of its vibrational motions, right? For vibrational motions, temporary dipole moment may create, right? So what is the condition? To behave as a greenhouse gas, either the molecule must possess a dipole moment or some of its vibrational motions must generate a temporary dipole moment, right? Okay, so since hydrogen is a non-polar, so it doesn't have a uh, dipole moment, permanent dipole moment, right? Since it is not a polar, it is non-polar, right? So now we have to look at these things. Vibrational motion, right? Okay, look at here, this is homonuclear, right? Homonuclear molecule. Okay, a this is the vibrational mode of homonuclear molecule, right? Like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, right? This is stable form, and you can say this is normal form, and this is stressed. The bond between hydrogen can be imagined as a spring. This is stressed, right? And this is compressed form. This is compressed form, right? Okay, vibrational motion of a diatomic molecule or chemical bonds can be stressed and compressed like a spring. For this type of vibration, no dipole moment change happen in hydrogen molecule. If dipole moment doesn't change, then the molecule will not absorb IR radiation. Right, so hydrogen molecule is IR inactive. That is why hydrogen molecule is not a greenhouse gas. Okay, the above picture shows how a diatomic molecule can vibrate. If the molecule is homonuclear like nitrogen and oxygen, there can be no change in the dipole moment. The molecule has a zero dipole moment no matter how far apart or close together the two atoms are. We call such molecules IR inactive because they cannot absorb IR radiation, right? On the other hand, all heteronuclear diatomic molecules like carbon monoxide are IR active. That is, they all can absorb IR radiation because their dipole moment constantly changes as the bond length changes. If you don't know what is dipole moment, then I have a uh, definition for you. The dipole moment of a molecule is the product of the charge and the distance between charges. That is, if bond length change, then dipole moment must change. The answer is hydrogen is not a greenhouse gas because it doesn't absorb any IR radiation. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.